After testing dozens of options and weighing them against decades of experience, we've narrowed down the absolute best cordless reciprocating saws from manufacturers we trust the most. In this article, we're focusing on full-size reciprocating saws and Sawzalls. If you're on the hunt for a compact model, keep your eyes open on our one-hand reciprocating saw comparison for updates. There are many products available to choose the best cordless reciprocating saws, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cordless reciprocating saws from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max XR Reciprocating Saw DCS366B. The 20V Max XR Compact Reciprocating Saw is a compact, lightweight tool designed to be the perfect solution for repetitive cutting tasks in between studs and other tight spots. The 4-direction handle allows for flush or angular cuts, so you can easily cut out any imperfections. Additionally, the brushless motor allows for longer runtime per charge than with traditional reciprocating saws. This reciprocating saw features an LED work light with variable intensity levels, so you can fix or build just about anywhere. Number 2. Makita 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless Recipro Saw. The XRJ05Z 18V L XT Lithium-Ion Cordless Reciprocating Saw with brushless motor delivers 5,000 RPM for faster cutting speed. It's part of the broadest 18-volt cordless tool lineup. The LXT series features 3 times more power and up to 5 times longer runtime than the competition. This saw features tool-less blade changes and a built-in LED light to illuminate the line of cut for increased accuracy and visibility. It also employs a tool-free depth gauge and spindle lock for easy depth adjustment and spindle lock at 90 degrees. Number 3. Milwaukee M1818 Volt Lithium-Ion Cordless Sawzall. The M18SAW Reciprocating Saw delivers unmatched durability, speed, and runtime. The all-metal gearing with Red Link intelligence provides ultimate performance and protection against the tough job site conditions. The Milwaukee M18SAW ZALL cordless saw is fully loaded with features including AC/DC capability, 20+1 clutch settings. Milwaukee 4-pole motor delivers 3x more power in the cut versus leading competitors. LED light for better visibility in application with dark walls, tool-less blade ejection for fast interior changing, and instant oiler that automatically lubricates. Number 4. Skill PWRCORE 20-volt Brushless Reciprocating Saw Kit. The 20-volt brushless reciprocating saw is part of the PWRCORE 20 technology, giving you power and performance in a cordless electric saw. With its efficient motor, this saw reduces binding while you cut, so it's faster to get your projects done. Cut through wood quickly with the RPM of 4,550. The tool features a pivoting shoe to easily switch between linear or orbital mode. The tool also has a depth control to vary the depth of your cut. Number 5. Craftsman 20-volt Cordless Reciprocating Saw Kit. Craftsman 20-volt Cordless Reciprocating Saw Kit, CMCS 300M1, is lightweight, balanced, and has no cords to trip over. It has a powerful high-performance motor that delivers increased speed of application. This 20-volt battery-powered cordless reciprocating saw comes with blade storage clips that hold blades securely in place. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.